Brothers Trucks is closed. Where am I going to get my Bedwood kit now? Let's take a look. Now, Trucks USA, that's where Brothers used to get their Bedwood kit. I don't know where they get it from now. I really like their kits because they were really sanded well and prepped up well, and I normally didn't have to do anything to them before I stained them and cleared them. If you save money on your Bedwood kit, but then you have to spend a bunch of time sanding out scratches and stuff, you just killed all your savings. So Trucks USA had it at $605, which is interesting. Brothers Trucks right now has that at $1144. CJ Pony has $1325. Now that's for oak. We've got Classic Industries, and just as a comparison, their pine is $619. So you can see the oak at $605 from Trucks USA is a good buy. Now Bedwood, they've got a lot of choices. You got everything starting off at $750 for pine and up to like $5,000 plus for something called tiger wood. They got ash and a whole bunch of different hardwoods that I've never even seen before. So if you're going to go something exotic, they may be the place for you. Now what I did is I went to the truck shop. $9.99. Didn't have to pay for shipping. And in the past, I really didn't like their Bedwood kit, to be honest with you, because it did take too much time to prep up. But we are going to take a look at this and see how they're looking these days. So far, so good. A lot of times in the past, you'd see the saw marks going through them here and there. But all of this stuff is looking really nice. So I think we're going to be okay with the truck shop. Next, I'm going to be staining this up and doing some miscellaneous stuff, so stay tuned.